Good day everyone, welcome to the part 2 of the sum of the arithmetic sequence, the shortcut. And today we are going to discuss the shortcut method in order for us to determine the sum of the arithmetic sequence. But before we continue solving this very easy method, let me just introduce you to the formula. It's S sub n, which is equal to n over 2. N is still the number of terms that we are trying to calculate, times the quantity of a sub 1, which is our first term, plus a sub n, which is the last term. So if you look at the formula, you can use the shortcut method once you know the last term of that sequence. But if you don't know the last term, then you can use the original formula, or you can solve the last term first and use the shortcut method. Now let's have our first example. For our first example, find the sum of all integers from 1 to 50. So obviously it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 50. We're going to find the sum of these numbers. So we will be using the shortcut method. Why are we going to use the shortcut method? Because from 1 to 50, we know the first term, which is 1, and we also know the last term, which is 50. So it would be very comfortable for us to use the shortcut method. So S sub n is equal to n. How many terms are we going to solve? Now from 1 to 50, there's a total of 50 terms, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 50, there's 50 of them. So 50 divided by 2 times the quantity of a sub 1, which is the first term of 1 to 50, and that is 1, plus the last term of 1 to 50, which is 50. So 50 divided by 2, we have 25, times 1 plus 50 will give us 51. Now, all we need to do is just to multiply 25 by 51, and our final answer is 1,275. So how do you know if your answer is correct? You can manually check 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus 50, or you can use the longer method. Let's have another example. So example number 2. Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 100. Again, this problem have a condition, and we are only looking at the odd integers. What are odd numbers again? These are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So, do we know the first term of the odd numbers from 1 to 100? Yes, it's 1. Do we know the last term of 1 to 100? The odd integer? Yes, and that is 99. We cannot use 100 because 100 is an even number. So in that case, we are ready to use the shortcut method. So S sub n, which is equal to n. How many odd integers are there from 1 to 100? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to 99. How many are they? There are 50. It's just half of 100, because 50 are odd and 50 are even. Times the quantity of first term is 1, plus the last term, which is 99. Again, we cannot consider 100 because it is not an odd number. So 50 divided by 2 will give us 25, times 1 plus 99 will give us 100. So 25 times 100 gives us the final answer of 2,500. There you have it. Let's have our last example. For our last example, find the sum of all numbers divisible by 4 from 1 to 81. So again, what are the numbers divisible by 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. up to 81. But of course, we cannot consider 81 because it is not divisible by 4. Now, let's answer the question first. Do we know the first term that is divisible by 4 from 1 to 81? Yes, and that is 4. Do we know the last term from 1 to 81 that is divisible by 4? Yes, and that is 80. Very good. Now, what is our n? How many divisible by 4 are there from 1 to 81? We all know that 4 times 10 is 40, so there's already 10 of them. 4 times 20 will give us 80. So in short, there's 20 of them. So our n here is 20 divided by 2. Then, first term is 4. Again, it's not 1 because it's not divisible by 4. Obviously not 2, and probably not 3. So it's 4. Plus, last term, not 81 because it is not divisible by 4, but we can use 80, which is our last term. Next, 20 divided by 2 will give us 10 times 4 plus 80, 84. 84 times 10 will give us a final answer of 840. Sorry. So that's your final answer. So if you have any question, just don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section below and I will make sure to answer your questions. And also don't forget to like the video and share the video as well to your fellow students who are on the same level and have the same topic as we are, so that they will also learn just like what you did and what happened today. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial on mathematics. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day.